Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of speaker of our device, then this value on the display will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 113.1 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.